Hi, so today I'm going to show you a different way of using your essential cleansing milk, which we've seen before, but I'm just going to show you a little bit more of a deep cleanse that you can use with it. So I'm going to take a couple of pumps and we're going to apply it onto the skin. And then we're going to use one of the Catherine Daniels cleansing ritual. It's like a little vibrating pad. It's dead soft, but it's got a little, see, it's got a little plus and a minus on it. So we're going to turn it on, and I'm going to just turn it down just a little bit because my skin's just a little bit pink, and we're going to use the head of it to massage over with the cleanser. And just helps you really get into all those hard to reach bits. Alright, and we're going to turn that off now. So you just wash those with some warm soapy water. I'm going to take a clean Catherine Daniels cloth and we're just going to remove the better cleanser. So you could do your first cleanse without and then do your second cleanse with it. It just helps to really make sure that your second cleanse gives you the deepest. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and tone and I'm going to exfoliate.